my channel. In today's video I'm going to be doing a haul. Now this isn't just any type of haul, this is a haul that I've never ever done on my channel, and it's going to be a Tkmaxx haul. Now I work at Tkmaxx, so I just thought, you know what, I may as well do a haul from there, like why not? People that I follow on YouTube and like that I'm subscribed to, I've never seen do Tkmaxx hauls. Don't know if they're a thing. I've never watched one before, if I'm honest. Tkmaxx's sometimes do discounts, so because I'm an associate there, I get a 10% discount. I have a card for me and a card for a family member, so me and my mum have a card, and we get like 10% off every time we shop in there. And then sometimes they do the double discount weekends, which we just had this bank holiday weekend, so that means that you get 20% off instead of 10%, which is why it's called double discount. So I made use of the double discount and I bought a few goodies. As you can see in this bag, I have got some goodies to show you all. So that is what today's video is going to be. If you do enjoy, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up. Subscribe down below if you haven't already. Make sure you go follow me over on my Instagram and my TikTok. And yeah, make sure you let me know down below if you want to see any more hauls from Tkmaxx. Like, I'll be more than happy to do them. So I picked up a few clothes. I've picked up some little gadgety bits as well. So yeah, I'm just going to go through the bag and show you what I got basically. Let me just see if the receipt is in here at all, because I can't remember how much things were, and I've worn some of the things, so let me, got the receipt. So the first thing that I got was this jumper. It just looks like this. It is a Champion jumper and it's this lovely creamy beigey colour. Because I've got my lights on, it's like really washing it out. It's making my face look orange, like if I sit far back. But yeah, it's this like really nice creamy colour. I wear like sweatshirts like this all the time, so with leggings and everything like that, I thought it's just nice to just chill in, and it's a really, really nice jumper as well. Like I say, it's Champion. I got it in size small, and this was $19.99 I think, and I got it for $17.99. That is the first thing that I picked up. I then picked up this really cool dress. Now, as I've said in most of my other hauls, because that is what the majority of my hauls are going to be at the minute, they're going to be for summer festivals and just things like that. So I saw this dress and I thought, wow, this is going to be such a good Instagram picture type of dress, like to get Instagram content in, and for festival season I've got some events booked and things like that, and this is going to be good for those events. So I saw this and it is a Puma, it's a Puma dress. So it just looks like so. It's like a figure hugging dress, and I think it goes down to your thighs. It has these black stripes down the side. It is this like lime greeny colour, and I just love it. I saw it and I was just like, it was the only one left as well. And I just really like it, So this was $14.99. The retail price for this is normally £40, so if you found this in like Foot Asylum or JD Sports or something, it'd be £40. That is insane, I think. But like I say, this was the last one left, and it just so happened to be in my size. It was in extra small, and yeah, I just really like it. It's not going to be everyone's cup of tea, but I love a good pop of colour. And yeah, like I say, for an Instagram picture and for those events that I've got booked, this is going to be cool. I love the little black detailing that it's got like around the neck and then the sides of the dress as well. I just flicked myself in the eye. I then picked up a hoodie. If you don't know me, hoodies and sweatshirts are the way to my heart. So I saw this hoodie and this was in the men's section and I couldn't pass it up because I just loved it. So it is this Adidas hoodie, and it's got the 3 stripes down each arm. As you can see, it has got a hood, obviously, the drawstrings. It just says Adidas across the front. It has nothing on the back. It is the comfiest hoodie ever. I have worn it already, of course. As you can see, I have rolled the sleeves up because that's what I do on majority of my hoodies. There is a little bit of dirt on the front of it as well because I have worn it. It hasn't been in the wash yet because I wanted to film this video. I wore it at the weekend and it is now Wednesday. So as soon as this video is filmed, I need to put it in the wash because there's a little bit of dirt on it, but it's because it's white as well. It's got the little hoodie pocket on the front. I got this in the men's section, like I say, and I got it in extra large. Sam will probably steal this as well because it's in his size. But yeah, I just really wanted an oversized hoodie. As you can see, it is really oversized. Yeah, it's the comfiest thing and I absolutely love it. This one was $29.99. Normally, I think if you went to like JD or Foot Asylum for a hoodie like this, these are normally like £50 to £60. Like, they are very expensive. But yeah, $29.99 for this hoodie I don't think was that bad. I then picked up this lightning cable, which is a charger. So it just looks like this and it's the most gorgeous blue colour. I don't know if you can see that. There we go. How gorgeous is that colour? It's a 6 foot, so it's 2 meters long. I just love the colour of it. It's a USB to lightning cable, which is your Apple, like if you've got an Apple product, it goes to an iPhone or an iPad. I just fell in love with the colour, so that's why I picked it up, and because obviously it was a 2 meter one, so when I'm in bed and I want to roll over, I can take my phone with me rather than laying one side when my phone's on charge. That was $9.99, which I don't think is that bad for a phone charger. And then I also saw this one in the same section and I picked this one up for Sam. So here is what this one looks like. This is just a black one. This one was $12.99, and that is because, well, first of all, it's a different brand and this one's 10 feet long. Sam works away a lot. He works away every week, Monday to Thursday, and when he stays in hotel rooms, the hotel rooms most of the time have the plugs like over the other side of the room, not near the bed. So with this, he can have his phone near him. If he lays at the end of the bed or something, he can have it reaching him whilst it's charging. So yeah, I picked him that up just because I thought it'd be handy for him to have, and then he can still text me and not have the excuse not to text me then. That one was $9.99 and then this one was $12.99. Then I picked up another clothing item and I picked this little crop top up. How cute is this? So it's a little feeler crop top. It's black and then it's got like this yellow detailing on the straps and around like the piping, and then it just says feeler just in the center of the top there. This little bit here as well has got the little bit of yellow on, which I really like. Now, I just thought this little crop top will look so cute with my tennis skirt. Again, for another Instagram picture. Always thinking about content, I am. And that's what I've always got in mind for little events that I'm gonna be going to in the summer and that. So yeah, definitely that is what I picked this up for. Can't go wrong with a little crop top like this, and I just really like it. I love the little pop of colour that it's got. This was $7.99 as well. $7.99. I think that's a bargain. And then the last thing that I picked up was another hoodie because I'm just obsessed, as I've said so many times. I picked up this feeler hoodie. Now this again is from the men's section. I just love the colour of it. One of my work friends, she spotted this and she was like, oh, that's a nice hoodie. She knows I like hoodies as well. Yeah, and she basically persuaded me to buy this. So I blame you, Millie. It's a really gorgeous like beigey colour. It's really getting washed out on the camera. You can't really see very well, but that is like the kind of colour it is. It just says feeler over on the left side. Got obviously a hoodie pocket, a hood, drawstring. What size did I get this one in? I can't actually remember. I got this one in a medium from the men's section, again, just because I like the way that they fit. And yeah, I can't wait to wear this. Probably wear this tomorrow now that I've shown it in this haul, because I was holding back on wearing things. I just couldn't not wear that Adidas hoodie. So yeah, I'll probably wear this one tomorrow because I just live in hoodies. I've even had one on today. I had my Alphalete one on, but it was really hot in this room, so I took it off. But yeah, this is the last thing I picked up. This was $24.99. Got it in size medium. £24.99 for a Fila hoodie. If you found this in JD or Foot Asylum, again, it would be like £50. So yeah, really good bargain. And yeah, Tkmaxx have got some really good bits in at the minute. So if you haven't already, make sure you go down to your local Tkmaxx and just check it out, because they do get some really good things in. I have to stop myself from buying things every time I'm in work, which is so bad. It gets addictive. Like, you see things and then you're just like, oh, I'll just get it, and then yeah, it's really dangerous, very dangerous work in there. I loved everything that I picked up in this haul. I really do hope you enjoyed it. Different haul for me. Make sure you let me know down below if you did enjoy it, and then obviously I will do some more in the future if you do want to see some more. But yeah, if you did enjoy, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up. Subscribe down below if you haven't already. Make sure you go follow me over on my Instagram and my TikTok. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye everyone.